Good afternoon guys, chow tam na naman. Ito ang aking nilutong ginisang munggo with chicharon. Kain na tayo, tara let's eat with rice and cold water. Tara let's eat. Merong chicharon. With daon ng ampalaya. So yummy, isang munggo. Thanks for viewing. Putahin ng inyo. Tara, let's eat. Bye!